Hey you guys, so I'm back with another hair review. This time is a 2-week update on this bob that I got. This is from Zoehair. This is gonna be quick and easy, so we're not gonna waste no time. So yeah, this hair is cool. It's really, it's cool or whatever. I would say that this would be beginner's hair or beginner's wig. Like, I wouldn't say like, or like last minute if you was like, oh, let me I need like a human hair bob that I could, curl, slay, blah blah real quick, then yeah, this is it. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't shed, so that's excellent. She's still soft, and after I washed her, she bounced back. So boom, that's good. So those are like the pros. My only con is that I guess I'm so used to having like the frontals or whatever, but the way it's structured. No, I didn't do my edges, so I can't show you. I was about to lift it up, but so the way it's structured is like, I don't know. I might add a clip in right now or at the end or whatever. I'll try to add a clip in. But the way it's structured is weird because it comes over your ears. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see, like, the structure is like over my ear, as you can see. So trying to do this, I had to like bend it to, as you can see, my ear is bending, so I had to like bend it to put it behind my ear. So that's the only thing I don't like. And it's like, it's sturdy, but it's bendable, you know what I'm saying? So I can bend it. But yeah, other than that, the hair is fine. It doesn't shed. It's still soft. What else? I mean, I don't know what else. If you have questions, I'll gladly answer them. And you know I'm honest, so we're not finna like lie around here. But like I said, get this hair if you want to. You want to inexpensive, affordable wig, affordable bob. That's human hair that you could just pop on and go. Get it. But like, I don't know the longevity of this, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just giving y'all a 2-week update. So, but I'll definitely, hold on. Let's not push the wig back blue, okay? But I'll definitely keep you guys updated if y'all want to be updated, But I said I would do a 2-week update, so I did, and I actually like it. I cut it a little bit more because you see how this is. That's how it looked on this side. And actually, I was gonna cut it. I'm probably gonna cut it some more. I don't want to do it on camera and mess it up. But yeah, see, I cut it over here because I don't like how it's cut like that. So I'm gonna probably cut that piece off so it can be just a regular nice bobby tin happening right, Okay, so yeah, it's dragging. I don't like to drag no review or anything. So do I like it? Yes, I do. Would I get it for longevity? I don't know, because I don't know. Would I get it for the moment? Yes. So like, I'm just like this with it, you know what I'm saying? I don't hate it, but I've had quality hair. Not saying that this is not this is not quality, but it's not the best that I've had, okay? Now I will say that. But it's human hair. It gets the job done. If you want, like I said, if you want to just hurry up and get a bob and just slay it real quick. You Gucci Bala, G-Boo. So yeah, this has been a quick update on this bob. I'll have all the information down below in the description box, whatever. It'll be down below. I think I might just put the link to this exact hair. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it. So don't forget to like. Did I say forget? Just slow down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.